Good evening and welcome. You're watching News Hour Agenda. I'm Padmaja Joshi. Everyone loves a good joke, but humor can quickly turn into needling and denigration, especially when the same standards are not applied across the board by the same people. Now, in the Gyanvapi dispute with the temple site, claiming that what has been discovered in the Wuzu Khana is a shivling, it seemed that people's collective funny bone was tickled. Some found it akin to a nuclear reactor at the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Others said that the fruit world would now be in a state of panic given that lychee seeds actually look like a shivling. Yet others wanted to keep their mixer grinder safe or even found a road divider looking like a shivling. Now, the sad part is that this kind of tasteless humor wasn't limited to internet trolls alone. Politicians like the Trinamool Congress's Mahua Moitra or an AIMIM leader or another one from Samajwadi Party all had their own jokes, memes and cartoons to share. The worst was a Delhi University professor, imagine a professor, who said that the structure found in Varanasi looks like it has been circumcised. Now, the professor has been booked and those of the AIMIM and Samajwadi Party have both been arrested, which leaves the petitioners now asking, does their belief and their stab at a legal process or their religion itself leave them fair game for ridicule, derision and cheap shots like this?
Completely disgraceful. A belief and faith of the Hindu community must not be joked upon. It's not a matter which should be on which meme should be made. If there is belief, faith and astha of the members of the Muslim community, then there is belief, faith and astha of the members of the Hindu community, and we have a right to worship under Article 25. So the emotions and the sentiments and the belief and the faith must be respected by all the citizens of this country, and I completely believe that these kind of memes are horrible. They are most disgraceful.
हम उन माननीय नेताओं से कहना चाहते हैं कि कम से कम हिंदू धर्म, हिंदुओं का अपमान न करें, हिंदू भावनाओं का अपमान न करें, हिंदू आस्थाओं का अपमान न करें, जो हमारे गौरवमयी शानदार संस्कृति और विरासत है उनका अपमान न करें। अगर यही अपमान इस तरह का क्या मुस्लिम समाज करेंगे? नहीं कर पाएंगे और नहीं कर पाएंगे। आखिर हिंदू धर्म जो कि सॉफ्ट है, आखिर इस तरह उनकी भावनाओं का मजाक करना यह नैतिकता नहीं है।
Hour at 10, debate number. You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now.
Vijay Shankar Tiwari, National Spokesperson of Vishwa Hindu Parishad, joins us along with Anurag Naidu, author. We have Professor Manojit Mandal, political analyst, Imroz Alam, advocate, Manoj Kaka, spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. But my first question is Shadab Chauhan, chief spokesperson of the Peace Party. Shadab Chauhan, Judge Sahab can seal this area when someone claim it as shivling. रोड डिवाइडर को आपने दिखा करके बोला है, इसमें इतना फनी क्या है? रोड डिवाइडर आपको शिवलिंग दिखता है?
It's not about fun, madam. It's not about fun, madam. I'm just saying that I'm trying to say that we have to believe in rule of law and no one आस्था is supreme.
इसको लॉ से क्या लेना देना है भाई? आपको रोड डिवाइडर अगर शिवलिंग दिखता है, आपको रोड डिवाइडर में शिवलिंग क्यों दिखता है भाई? आपसे किसी ने पूछा कि ये कैसा दिखता है? आप आर्किटेक्ट हो, आप पुजारी हो,
सुन लीजिए मैडम,
आप हिस्टोरियन हो,
अरे सुन मैडम,
आपको ये क्यों दिखता है भाई शिवलिंग जैसा?
मैडम मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, मैं डिबेट नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। मैं सिर्फ 10 सेकंड आपको अपनी बात रख के मैं ओवर करूँ। मेरी तबीयत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है। बहुत ही क्लैरिफाई एक चीज़ मैं कर रहा हूँ आपसे कि 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग हैं जो प्रकट हुए हैं, उनका सब सम्मान करते हैं, लेकिन आस्था को अगर डेवलप किया जाएगा, हमने सवाल किया है कि एक पक्ष के बिना सुने बगैर अगर कोई इस तरह का फैसला दिया जाएगा तो वो गलत है।
सर, आपने ये जो तस्वीर बाहर की है,
धर्मों की आस्था का सम्मान
मतलब है?
प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट का 91।
व्हाई विल द कोर्ट सील दिस एरिया? ये रोड के डिवाइडर को कोर्ट क्यों सील करेगा भाई? इसका क्या लेना देना है?
इसका लेना देना है कि जज साहब को दूसरे पक्ष को सुनना चाहिए था, मुस्लिम पक्ष को। वाराणसी कोर्ट के का
ये
जो
तस्वीर से
judgment है,
जज
उससे
साहब का
disagree
क्या
करते
लेना
हैं,
देना है?
सुप्रीम
तो आप
कोर्ट
जज
जा
की
रहे
फोटो लगाते ना,
और
आपने ये फोटो क्यों लगाई है?
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा क्लैरिफिकेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये बहुत स्पष्ट है कि आस्था के नाम पर खिलवाड़ किसी के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए, आस्था के नाम पर गुंडागर्दी नहीं होनी चाहिए।
गुंडागर्दी कौन कर रहा है? कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर किया कि सीलिंग की जाए,
किसी की सुप्रीम
कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर किया कि सीलिंग की जाए, गुंडागर्दी क्या हो रही है? अब आप बनारस के जज को गुंडा बोल रहे हैं?
वो जज, मैं उस जजमेंट से डिसएग्री करता हूं। ये मेरा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट है एंड मेरी तबीयत खराब है, इसीलिए मैंने पहले
आपका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट ये नहीं है सर कि आप ऐसे तस्वीरें लगाएं। आपको तो हंसी नहीं आएगी ना अगर कोई आपसे कहे कि फला चीज मुझे फला की तरह दिख रही है। Well, clearly in this country, people think that they can tweet such things and then simply walk away without so much as an apology. And that is the appalling part. That Shadab Chauhan pretends that he is member of a mainstream political party and he doesn't have the decency to issue an apology. And he's not the only one. Member of Parliament Mahua Moitra of the Trinamool Congress, Professor Manojit Mandal, said that the Bhabha Atomic Research Center nuclear reactor looks like a shivling. She says Hope Bark Center is not the next on digging list. Now, why will Bark be on the digging list, Professor Mandal?
So, look, this is a pure joke and अगर शिव जी वहाँ विराज कर रहे हैं तो शिव जी भी खुश हो जाएंगे क्योंकि उनको तो ये सब अच्छा लगते हैं ना। Mythologically, he is one of the very liberal gods that we have, right? I really don't understand why BJP is so jittery about it. Baba Shiv, Lord Shiva was one of the liberal gods. You know, हम सबके बहुत करीब होते हैं, दिल के करीब होते हैं। ये झट में वो सुन के सब कुछ मान जाते थे, ये सब जानते हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी क्यों नहीं मान रहे?
BJP is having these panels, sir, because this is not about the BJP. This isn't about the BJP. They're not even here.
I tell you what is it all about.
A random person watching this would feel, why are you doing this? Why would this MP, who by the way called people who are asking for donations, voluntary donations for building the Ram temple, Chanda GVs, now calling this as the next digging site?
You people are serious because you people are not real follower of Lord Shiva, right? The real issue is how the country is now going in terms of economic inflation.
Really? Then she should tweet about inflation.
Yes, that's the
Why
real
is she
thing.
tweeting her opinion about Bark or otherwise?
Diesel and petrol.
Why is
Look
anyone...
at the price of domestic gas.
Sir,
Look at the price of essential commodities.
Sir, but nobody said that this looks like domestic gas, right?
The people, you have got this issue. This is
Professor Mandal, you can keep trying to yell your way out of an insulting embarrassment, but you still haven't answered. Did you find this funny? Leave everything.
Yes.
Answer me this. Did you find this funny?
Even Lord Shiva would have been happy. If he's there watching, he would be laughing.
Lord Shiva will be happy. Anurag Naidu, did you laugh?
Yes.
Did you find this funny?
Yes.
Professor Mandal says Lord Shiva would have had a little chuckle of his own because he's a liberal, fun-loving God.
One of the most liberal, fun-loving gods that we have in our mythology.
Right. So, just out of curiosity, who are the non-fun-loving gods? Who are the non-fun-loving gods according to you?
Lord Shiva is the most liberal, fun-loving God.
So you're saying the other gods are illiberal, in whose name people are murdered? Are the other gods being called illiberal by you, Professor Mandal?
Fun-loving doesn't mean that you are
I object. He's trying
illiberal.
to tag people's belief.
And if you are not fun-loving, doesn't mean that you are not liberal. You are mentioning about Lord Rama.
I don't know when you last had an audience with Lord Shiva that you have determined that he is a fun-loving God who occasionally enjoys a little meme and says, oh, what a lovely joke. Maybe you communicated with Lord Shiva, sir, but it's not just about him. It's about people who believe in him.
You people go only by one side of the story.
Right. Okay, so let me ask Anurag Naidu on your side of the story. Anurag Naidu, Lord Shiva was a liberal lord, so you should have a little chuckle on his behalf. Anurag Naidu.
They were all humans And that distinction.
Okay, fine.
Actually,
Anurag Naidoo.
Padmaja, I find it funny that these people who are shouting are the students of University of Hypocrisy, and they have a principal called Mahua Moitra. I would like to remind them, it was really funny for the voters of Bengal to see the memes of Mamata Banerjee popping up right before the election. And what they do, they go and kill the BJP activists, they go and arrest people and the artists, and that is not funny. And here we have people defining what Lord Shiva is. Here we have people defining the spiritual belief of 100 crore Hindus here, and we are supposed to give audience and platform to such people, notorious people who are playing with the spiritual belief of 100 crore Hindus. Who gave you the right? Nobody should give them a platform. I strongly object. This is so indecent. Somebody like Mahua Moitra and people backing up for no reason. Come on, we have evidence. Come on, the
Manojit
court has
Mandal.
taken cognizance of it. Supreme Court is serious. We all are waiting for it. We are watching, and nobody is impeding the access to the mosque.
You have
Everything
no
is going
right to
as per
speak
the
on the
Let him
behalf
stop,
of all the
please.
people who believe in Lord Shiva and say, it's okay, you can just take it as a joke.
Absolutely.
Manojit Mandal.
Who gave you the right?
Lord Shiva or Hinduism are not the exclusive preserve of BJP and people like, who are shouting and doesn't know the kind of language that he was using. Lord Shiva is not your exclusive preserve. We have got every right to appropriate the god as we have in the mythology. Tagore did it, Madhusudan Dutt did it, and all the greats of literature and history did it, right? You read literature, you will understand this. BJP is having only one side of the story because it suits their narrative. My point is that even if it is there, let the court decide.
No, the court will decide. Exactly, let the court decide.
You are
But
running
who are
only
you
one
to crack
story.
jokes in the middle, sir? And especially when this same argument about sense of humor, do you know, just a second, that there were maximum protests in India against Emmanuel Macron on the issue of Charlie Hebdo? People even wanted that ties with France should be cut off because Emmanuel Macron said, I am a free speech absolutist and Charlie Hebdo cartoons should be printed. And there were protests happening in your state, sir, West Bengal. Why didn't you enjoy a little chuckle at that time? Charlie Hebdo was also a cartoon, right?
Not gods as you see. They behave like humans with emotions, like fathers, mothers, brothers.
Professor Mandal,
That is what
Professor Mandal, can I just a second? Professor Mandal, I want to ask you a simple question. When there were protests happening in Kolkata against Charlie Hebdo and Emmanuel Macron, why did you not have this pearls of wisdom for them?
We have no issue with that at all. We did not
You agree with the Charlie Hebdo cartoons? You think that the Charlie Hebdo cartoons should be printed in West Bengal? Yes or no? Yes or no?
What yes or no? Yeah,
Yes or no?
Are you an advocate? Are you question? No, मैं कटघरे में खड़े नहीं हूँ.
Do you think,
This kind
since
of
you
question
said that,
and this
everyone
kind of-
should have a lighter vein, should the Charlie Hebdo cartoons be printed in West Bengal?
Doesn't matter.
No, yes or no?
Doesn't matter.
You had a
Doesn't
very
matter.
definitive view
Doesn't
on
matter.
these
We are
memes,
a very
then you
liberal
must
state.
have the same
We are
stand
a
for
very liberal
all
state
memes and cartoons.
We are a very liberal state. Doesn't matter. अरे दिन रात गालियां दे रहे हो ममता दीपक.
Sir, say yes or no. You are a professor.
You people have rather left this CBI as Rottweiler against all the members of.
Let me remind you that on 2 occasions, people have been arrested, not just booked, not just trolled, arrested. Since you said West Bengal is very liberal,
Yes.
you had
Yes,
first a
yes,
professor of
yes,
Jadavpur
yes,
University
yes,
and then a member of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha arrested in West Bengal because she forwarded a meme of Mamata Banerjee, sir. So before you start giving advice to other people,
Can I
look
answer?
within.
Can I answer?
Yes, answer.
Ambikesh Mahapatra is a very good friend of mine. We
Yes.
teach in the same university. What was done to him was not right. I say this on TV. And the second question that you're talking about, that was not a cartoon. That was a meme of a very nasty character. And once she was arrested, West Bengal government did not arrest her. Police under Election Commission of India during 2019 election arrested her. And the Bengal government has nothing to do with that.
So
Nothing
you are saying that was a nasty cartoon, Vijay Shankar Tiwari, but in the case of Mamata Banerjee, it was a nasty cartoon. But in the case of this is not a nasty cartoon. This is not a nasty cartoon.
Make a difference between a cartoon and a meme. This
Right,
is not a nasty
Vijay Shankar
This is not a
Tiwari.
nasty
I will
This
just
is not
pull
a
up.
nasty
I will
This
actually
is not
pull up.
sexually-
I will pull up
Sexually
what was
vulgar.
done to Ambikesh
What
Mahapatra
this
and
person
what
did
he
was
shared
sexually
and what
vulgar.
this is, and you can judge for yourself which is nasty and which is LOL. Vijay Shankar Tiwari.
देखो, ये जो मंडल साहब हमारे बात कर रहे हैं तो उसके विषय में मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि या तो ये इतने डरपोक हैं कि ये और दूसरे इष्टों का नाम लेने में घबराते हैं और भगवान शिव का नाम आते ही उनको अपमानित करने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ते हैं। आप अभी शार्ली हब्दो का नाम लिया तो मैं उनके लिए कहना चाहता हूँ, पद्मजा, जिनके घर शीशे के होते हैं दूसरे घरों में पत्थर नहीं फेंका करते हैं। फ्रांस की घटना आपने शार्ली हेब्दो की तो बता दी, लेकिन वो शिक्षक भी फ्रांस का ही था जिसको क्लास में एक टिप्पणी कर दी इनकी आस्था पर तो उसका गला काट दिया। और बहुत दूर की बात नहीं है, दिल्ली की बात है, एक दीपक नाम का लड़का दीपक शर्मा पर यह आरोप लगाया कि इसने पुराण के पन्ने फाड़े, उसको गोली मार दी। कमलेश तिवारी का एक घटना आपके सामने है कि उसने हमारी आस्था पर टिप्पणी की है, उसको गला काट दिया। तो इन जिनके घर शीशे के होते हैं उनको दूसरों पर टिप्पणियां नहीं करनी चाहिए। जहां तक भगवान शिव का विषय है और वो जो प्रतिमा मिली है उसका विषय है, तो 1983 में उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार ने पहले ही घोषित कर दिया है कि वो ज्योतिर्स्वयंभू महाराज हैं। और ये मूर्ति तो भी मिली है, प्रतिमा तो अभी 2 दिन पहले मिली है। इसके पहले सर्वे किस लिए हुआ था? सर्वे इसीलिए हुआ था, इसी आधार पे हुआ था कि ये भगवान शिव का स्थान है और इसमें जो सारी प्रतिमाएं हैं देवी देवताओं की और कमल का और स्वास्तिक का ऐसे चिन्ह हैं जो हिंदुत्व को प्रदर्शित करते हैं। ये उनका स्थान है, इसलिए सर्वे हुआ था।
And just by the way, sir, when you are saying that all of these are very funny, Professor Monojit Mandal, what was said about the chief minister is that essentially she was compared to a dictator. In her words, when Professor Ambikesh Mahapatra was arrested, you know what she said? She said, this is a cyber crime. It is nothing short of character assassination. And much after Section 66A had in fact been repealed, that poor man kept fighting the case because he continued to be booked under the section that had already been struck down. So when you're talking about liberalism, perhaps you should say some advice for people in Bengal also, the powers that be. Professor Mandal.
Why are you becoming anachronistic? While this person was arrested, I said that this was wrong. When he was
But
arrested,
it was done.
It
is okay when it happens in Bengal. A small political cartoon merits an arrest, but when it comes to religious sensitivities, everything is fair game.
When my friend was arrested, 66, he was in vogue. And later on it was repealed by the Supreme Court.
Then how can you say Bengal is liberal when people get arrested for a simple political cartoon? You did not have, let me ask you a simple question, Professor Mandal. You are a sympathizer of the TMC. Why did you not hit the streets and say that let's have a laugh about it? Mamata Banerjee is a very liberal chief minister. She should just have a chuckle. Now you want Shiv devotees to laugh. But you did not ask Trinamool Congress leaders to laugh at that joke. Why?
आप देखिए, अपने अंदर झक के देखिए, वो सब बंदा बोल रहे थे ना एमपी में क्या हुआ, वो साहब जर्नलिस्ट को ये स्ट्रिप किया गया ना पुलिस थाने पर। यूपी में क्या हो रहा है? You could dig out just only one case.
Vijay Shankar Tiwari.
One case of Mr. Ambikesh Mahapatra.
विजय शंकर तिवारी
बात करते हो, शिव जी को समझो।
देखो मंडल साहब, हाँ मंडल, मिस्टर मंडल, सुन लीजिए, मिस्टर मंडल, आपके यहाँ बंगाल में तो गले काटे जा रहे हैं। सुनो मिस्टर मंडल, आपके चीखने से कुछ नहीं होगा।
प्लीज मिस्टर तिवारी, विजय शंकर तिवारी, आप बोलिए। हाँ,
आपके देखो मिस्टर मंडल, आपके चीखने से कुछ नहीं होगा। बंगाल में जो कुछ हो रहा है, लोग फांसी पे लटकाए जा रहे हैं, गला काटा जा रहा है, और सुबह वो जाते हैं, शाम को मरे मिलते हैं। ऐसी ही आपका शासन। एक मिनट सुनिए आपका, अरे सुन तो लीजिए मंडल, सुन लीजिए। आप पढ़े लिखे आदमी हैं, सुन लीजिए। आपके यहाँ अगर ममता बनर्जी का कोई कार्टून बना देता है तो वो जेल के अंदर जाता है। और ये लोकतंत्र है। लोकतंत्र में, इस संविधान में, अगर आपके किसी की आस्था पर चोट पहुंचती है और उसको आप थाने में जाते हैं तो उसको पकड़ना चाहिए, उसको सजा देना चाहिए, लेकिन उसका गला नहीं काटना चाहिए। समस्या ये है कि आप गला काटने वालों को साथ देते हैं, लेकिन जो अपनी आस्था की बात लेकर के कानून के पास जाता है, कानून उस पर अपनी कार्रवाई करता है, उसका आप विरोध करते हैं। तो ये कौन सा सेकुलरिज्म लेके घूम रहे हैं, कौन सा शासन लेके घूम रहे हैं?
Why is it that secularism always means, Manoj Kaka, secularism always means that when there is any kind of cartoon, for example, what happened in Karnataka was wrong. कर्नाटका में एक आदमी ने जाकर के मस्जिद के ऊपर एक saffron flag superimpose कर दिया. He was arrested, and rightly so. What he did was wrong. When people protested against Charlie Hebdo, even then it was fine. Members of your party said कि ये कार्टून सही नहीं है, और अब आपके यूथ समाजवादी पार्टी के जो नेता हैं उनको शिवलिंग लीची जैसा नजर आ रहा है।
पद्मजा, कौन से नेता हैं और किसको समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता बताया जा रहा है? आपके चैनल के माध्यम से मैंने देखा।
मोहसिन अंसारी है, ये युवा समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता हैं।
युवा समाजवादी पार्टी, इस तरह आप किसी को अन्यथा न जोड़ दें। समाजवादी पार्टी का जो आपने मीन बताया, सेकुलरिज्म का मीन, जब लार्जर पैमाने पर, बड़े पैमाने पर आप देखेंगे तो सेकुलरिज्म
आप कह रहे हैं कि ये आदमी आपकी पार्टी का नहीं है, जिसने ये लीची वाला जोक क्रैक किया है, ये आपकी पार्टी का नहीं है।
अभी तक कोई अधिकृत हमारे समाजवादी पार्टी का कोई वर्कर इस तरह का कोई बयान नहीं दिया है। समाजवादी पार्टी और
ये बयान नहीं है, ये उनका जोक है। मोहसिन अंसारी अपने को आपका समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता बताते हैं। पुलिस भी कह रही है कि ये समाजवादी पार्टी के युवा नेता हैं, और इनको अरेस्ट किया गया है।
पुलिस तो, उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस पर आप कितना भरोसा करेंगी? अगर आप देख रही होंगी तो उत्तर प्रदेश के चंदौली जनपद आप जानती होंगी।
सर, आप इधर उधर की बातें क्यों कर रहे हैं? आप चलिए, छोड़िए, ये आपके नेता नहीं है। आपसे सीधा सवाल पूछ लेती हूँ, ये सब लीची, रोड डिवाइडर, न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर वाले जो ये घटिया जोक्स हैं, आप कह रहे हैं कि ये घटिया हैं?
बिल्कुल कह रहे हैं पद्मजा, और बहुत तन्मयता से और बहुत शांति विनम्र आपसे आग्रह होगा कि कम से कम सुनिए। समाजवादी पार्टी का वही स्टैंड है, वही समाजवादी पार्टी का सिद्धांत है जो संविधान के प्रस्तावना का, धर्मनिरपेक्षता का, सभी धर्मों के प्रति समान भाव का। हम चाहते हैं कि सभी धर्मों के प्रति जो सरकार है उसका काम है, संवैधानिक उसका दायित्व है कि समता का भाव रखे। लेकिन अब सवाल यह है कि जब देश में आज रुपया गिर करके 16 पैसे और गिर करके रुपए की कीमत डॉलर के मुकाबले 77 रुपए 60 पैसे हो गई। आज बेरोजगारी 45 साल के चरम पर है, महंगाई 24 साल में सबसे ज्यादा है। आप गांव में अगर आप देखेंगी तो अब लोगों के पास एक टाइम का खाना है।
आप बिल्कुल सही बात बता रहे हैं कि ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे हैं, और ये भी मुद्दा है कि किसी के ऊपर कोई घटिया जोक क्रैक नहीं करना चाहिए। आई एम ग्लैड कि आपने ये बात मानी। ये आदमी कहता है कि आपकी समाजवादी पार्टी का है, पुलिस कहती है। उम्मीद है कि आप इसका पता लगा के कम से कम पार्टी से इसको निकालेंगे। इमरोज आलम, ये जोक्स जो है, ये जोक्स वन वे स्ट्रीट नहीं हो सकते। या तो सबकी भावना आप रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, और you will say that everyone should be up for a good joke. Imroz Alam.
पद्मजा जी, यहाँ पे अभी जितनी भी बात हुई उसमें मुझे एक चीज समझ में आई कि हम हर एक पक्ष पे इंटॉलरेंस ऑफ वन साइड को यूज कर रहे हैं जस्टिफाई करने के लिए इंटॉलरेंस अपनी तरफ की भी। ठीक है, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही है आज की डिबेट में। अगर बंगाल में कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो हम यूपी में गलत करेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि बंगाल में गलत हो रहा है, तो आप बेटर हो जाइए, आप मत अरेस्ट करिए। जाहिर सी बात है कि एक मजाक का हद होना चाहिए, ये लॉ भी कहती है। लेकिन मैं आपको लॉ कोट करके ही बता रहा हूं, और वो ये है कि रामजी लाल मोदी वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी, रमेश वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, अमीश देवगन, ये सारे मेजर केस लॉज हैं जो मैं आपको आज कोट करके बता दूं 2017 तक के, जिसमें हर बार कोर्ट ने ये बोला है कि मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑफ फ्री स्पीच होनी चाहिए और एक टॉलरेंट सोसाइटी, एंड आई कोट, अ टॉलरेंट सोसाइटी इज एंटाइटल्ड टू एक्सपेक्ट टॉलरेंस as they are
then why is it, sir, that when it comes to politicians, this is great.
अब tolerance
this
की बात भी
is great, you know, until the time that there is call to violence, people should be willing to take a little joke. However, let me tell you where the difference lies.
Exactly.
Now let me give you an example from Karnataka. Here was a stupid man who made that distasteful meme where he put a saffron flag on top of a mosque. Not one politician said he's stupid, let it be. He was arrested. There were mobs outside the police station who said that he should be beheaded, that he should be handed over. There was a riot. There were politicians, mainstream ones. H.D. Kumaraswamy said he is trying to disturb peace in Karnataka. This is intolerable. Congress said that
यहाँ पे हमारे
Congress said that this kind of behavior, trying to provoke a community, cannot be allowed. Nobody had a condemnation for the mob that gathered and asked for his beheading. But everyone pretty much tried to say, ki look, he said this thing, he asked for it. And that is the problem. When you have these double standards, sir, then a set of people ends up thinking that we are fair game, nobody cares for our feelings, all the jokes should be on us.
There are no double standards. I am not talking about anybody's standards. I am not talking about anybody's standards.
Okay, there are no double standards. Then as a free speech absolutist, just a second, you have quoted case law.
क्या ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है कि तुम इंटॉलरेंट हो तो मैं भी इंटॉलरेंट रहूंगा? क्या ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है? ये भी तो एक डबल स्टैंडर्ड है।
You quoted case law.
आप टॉलरेंट रहिए।
You quoted case law. You quoted case law.
I am not talking about political parties.
You quoted case law, sir, to say that the court has always sided with more tolerance and free speech. Let me then ask you as an advocate, do you stand with free speech absolutists who say that at the end of the day, Charlie Hebdo was also just a cartoon? It should be allowed.
Padmaja, Charlie Hebdo happened in France. This is happening in
I am
India.
asking you context of India. Free speech तो free speech है ना, cartoon is cartoon. I am asking you as a free speech advocate, do you support Charlie Hebdo in India? If tomorrow somebody was to print that cartoon, would you say there should be more tolerance?
पद्मजा, मैं भी आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं।
अरे आप सवाल का जवाब दीजिए ना, ये सवाल पे सवाल नहीं हो सकता सर। आई एम आस्किंग यू एज अ फ्री स्पीच एडवोकेट, वुड यू सपोर्ट अ न्यूज़पेपर दैट प्रिंट्स शार्ली हेब्डो कार्टून्स हियर?
सवाल का जवाब
यस और नो?
मेरे सवाल में आपको खुद मिल जाएगा।
सर सवाल पे सवाल, मैं आपके सवाल में जवाब नहीं ढूंढना चाहती ना। मेक इट सिंपल फॉर मी एंड जस्ट आंसर द क्वेश्चन। एज अ फ्री स्पीच एडवोकेट मिस्टर आलम, वुड यू support the reprinting of Charlie Hebdo in India? Simple.
That is a frivolous question. I'm
Why?
not going to answer that. But
Why?
You tell me one
It's a
thing.
simple yes or no question. It's a simple yes or no question.
आज अरेस्ट होते हैं।
You
आज अरेस्ट होते हैं।
Anurag Naidu. It was a simple question, sir, which you had dodged for the last 3 minutes.
It is not.
It was a simple question. You gave a long bhashan reading out case law saying that in our country the courts have always sided more on the side of free speech. As an advocate, I'm asking you, does your free speech allow you to reprint Charlie Hebdo cartoons in India?
अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है तो दूसरी तरफ जब दूसरी तरफ फिर एक इंसान आता है और कहता है कि एक सर्टेन कम्युनिटी का रेप करो, एक सर्टेन कम्युनिटी को मार दो, उसको आप अपॉलॉजी पे छोड़ देते हैं।
Nobody is leaving an apology, sir. Anyone who says this should be arrested. He's a criminal. Why are you doing what about tree?
Questionable.
There is no doubt in my mind that anyone who gives rape threats should be arrested. What is the doubt in it? But you still haven't answered my question. As a free speech advocate, would you stand with the right of a publication in India to print Charlie Hebdo cartoons? Yes or no?
As a free speech advocate, as a free speech advocate, I say that the intensity of the two things are different, and you will have to understand that the intensity of two things are different.
Why are you going to decide the intensity of people's sensitivity and belief?
And I will tell you,
you will decide the intensity of how much Anurag Naidu believes in Shiva or somebody believes in your religion. Okay, just a second. Intensity, Anurag Naidu. The intensity and the gravity is different, Anurag Naidu.
So Padmaja, intensity and gravity more sounds like if you can't convince somebody, confuse them. So these people sitting, some people on the panel, they are here only to confuse the narrative. And somebody telling about Bengal, boss, Bengal is a very beautiful state. It has Ram Rajya. That's why you take law in your own hand. You don't even go to the Supreme Court and kill and butcher people who make memes and who make cartoons. So we don't want to talk about Bengal. Let's talk about India. Now somebody said it is all about political. Padmaja, for once, I strongly believe it is apolitical. If BJP or any other party in UP had to gain something out of this, they could have done it 6 months before when they had a big fight election. The whole semi-final for the run up to 2024, we were discussing about. It did not happen. It is happening after the election. Tell me what election is there right now in UP or North India. The point here is there is a matter, there is a Gyanvapi mosque issue which has been long pending, and now the courts have taken cognizance. Now we have evidential, evidence surfacing, and we all believe that Lord Shiva was there. We all believe it's a place of worship, and we all believe that the place of worship will be restored for the Hindus. And let's understand.
Well,
for
that
Muslims,
might be
it has
your
always
belief,
been the same
but
narrative.
ultimately on that the court will rule. However, there might not be a law about what is the intensity of somebody's humor and how someone feels hurt, but there is a mutual respect and sensitivity. So if you expect that for your feelings and your religious beliefs, please extend the courtesy to everyone else as well, which is the simple formula of peaceful coexistence and secularism. Thank you very much, all gentlemen, for joining me.